Okay. That's good. Huh. Okay. All right. So we got a few things we need to check as well. Um, should be fine. Let me what's it called, man? It's a certain theme I want real quick. There we go. There we go. Might make it a little easier for you guys. Okay. So servers running, everything's good. The air system obviously not working, but that's fine. Keep this up for now, so we could keep our changes here. I'm doing good, 2K. How are you, man? I hate how the YouTube chat is like in a really weird spot. Hold on, see if I can change this up a little bit. Yeah, that works. That works. Is there a Discord chat in here? Doing pretty good. Thought I'd tune in. Hell yeah. I'm trying to figure out the Discord thing as well, right? Because oh, there's a show chat button. Because I put an event on the main power one. Oh, that would make sense. I don't have Steam open. So I'm streaming to both, basically. Let me open up Steam real quick. It's also weird that I can't have music playing, but I guess it's fine. Well, I guess it's fine. Let's close out of this. All right. Now we should be able to load in here and see what's popping. I do need to switch the screen up a little bit, but not too worried about it right now. Not too worried. Alright, this is obviously going to change, but I'm not really too worried about this just yet. I want to get... Let me do audio here real quick, and I'm just going to mute the whole audio. They are. It's just... It probably won't get accepted half the time, but yeah. Okay. It did get the banking ID. Is this with the, oh, this isn't with the new changes. Let me change real quick. Like obviously like a lot of stuff's still like changing, so that's mainly why things wouldn't really be doing much. Of course. 229. Do I just have an extra div? I do. I do. It ran. Okay, so now we actually have to see if it gets it still, which it might not get it. Fuck, I should have changed the wait time so we didn't have to stand here. Of course it didn't get it. I just don't think it liked it. Let's see. Let's just see what we're passing through real quick. Account data, that's why. Okay. So we're just not passing account data through, which would give us account data, banking ID and the balance. I knew this was gonna happen. Is that if here? If data, grab account, grab personal. So we'll do a grab personal, and then we'll basically we need data from this, right? So that's data, new event. So we're gonna grab new cache. Okay, yeah, this works. Const new personal. I guess equals data dot data dot. Do banking ID for this. That's fine. So, what are we calling this at though? So we got open page, page name here. That's fine. We got update money. So we need a server side though. Resource server TypeScript. So I'm guessing, yeah, it updates client on deposit, which is right. So we need onnet mp banking grab account info. Yeah, we'll do grab account info, which is function. So we'll need to do something like this, right? So this is the client side of it. So we're just going to comment that out. And then sort of the same thing here a little bit. So we'll just copy paste this down. Instead of swap, we're going to do a const banking ID equals player dot data dot banking ID. I'm doing good, man. How are you? So we have the banking ID, which we can go into here and see what we need from this. We got banking ID and balance, right? This is a little different. Player cash and player bank is actually sort of useless in this. Since it's a personal account, I guess this is fine, right? Because where are we creating this? Account.map, which I don't know if this is actually working. I just don't think it got a count actually. Are we mapping accounts? Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait, this might have actually worked. Hold on. I'm not gonna save this. It's just me coding main power, basically. That's all it really is. So we'll give it a second here. And see if it opens the UI now with that. Might have just been a spelling change. Definitely wasn't, though. What is it not like here? Accounts is not defined. Where did we have accounts before? Hold on. Accounts.map account. We're not getting account here. We'll do that and see what's up. Yeah. It's a custom framework. Count is not defined. Interesting. Okay. Oh, are we sending? We're sending it somewhere. Fuck. Pages. No, we're sending this. Oh yeah. Okay. Shit. Let me think. Because technically this doesn't really do anything for us. Because if I remove this... Oh, wait. Actually, account just not defined. There's account, which should grab from this, because it's a prop. Goes down. Account map. Account data. We're never setting balance, though. Fuck it, I guess it's fine. It's fine for right now. I mean, Zap hosting is not bad. Type error, cannot read map. Okay. Okay, so map is down here. Is that because we're not putting anything in it? Probably. Okay. So yeah, we're probably not just because we're not putting anything in it, which makes sense. Because right now it's trying to read account map and then account, which is this, which is grabbing account data, which we are actually just not setting the data. So we gotta set the data in here. So when it gets it, which it gets props from here, so we get account. Oh, but we're reading balance somewhere, aren't we? Account banking ID is correct. Account balance wouldn't be Correct. I got some scripts. You could try to convert to MP. I mean, converting is really easy. Definitely is really converting is just, yeah, I mean. So that's just because we're not setting this, so when it comes in, we should set our account data. Actually, I see what I did. This would work if I took this out. We just take this out real quick. Let me just comment it out. Actually, hold on. Accounts, account map. I guess this should be accounts, no? But this is fine. So we'll get banking ID. We'll get all that. Actually, is it setting banking ID now that I'm thinking about it? Let's do console.log. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna put this in the return for right now. We'll just put it in here. Return this. Actually, no. By the way, Discord server on your link. GitHub is invalid. Which one? Which one? Is it all the repos or? If it's all the repos, that's an easy fix. But and technically, I guess that's an easy fix either way, right? I'm just gonna bring it back, and we'll just do. I'll tell you what. We'll do all the UI first, and then we can worry about this later. We can worry about multiple accounts later. Yeah, I think that's probably the best way of thinking about it right now. UI gets fixed first, and then we just add multiple accounts and loans and everything. So let's make sure. Oh, is it still broke? Excuse me? Oh, yeah, that's why. Hold on. All right, so these will come soon. Let's get the UI looking better. Okay, where's my code? Open up this. So first off, it's the colors, right? So where is my CSS? Right here. And we'll go through all this. So background, let's change all of these to these. Let me get my colors here, right? So I'll use E88D70, and then I will use EDD185. Yeah. And then obviously we will have white, so FFF. Yeah. I'm changing the banking UI quite a bit actually. So we'll just refresh these a couple times, and we should change the banking client real quick. And we're gonna just change this to 1 second so I can click it really quick. I can go in, just do this. All right. Alrighty. CSS. So where is, so the sidebar I sort of want to keep darker, just maybe not as dark, right? Because setting it to 0, 0, obviously a little, it's going to be dark. So we need it to be sort of like a off black. Yeah, something like this. I'm going to have to delete the borders, but that's fine. Borders are good for right now. Shows us where everything's sort of at. Okay, so now what I think we do is the linear gradient. So, oh, actually, hold on. Wait, is this right? Okay, we could change this up. So we could do linear. Fuck, what's the CSS coloring? MP is actually starting to look like something. To be honest, I wouldn't say actually I sort of did give up a little bit, right? But I feel like I sort of did give up a little bit at a point. But then I don't know. Like I mean, obviously it's taken me a while because like at the same time, like I'm learning too, right? At the same time, like I'm learning too. So it sort of was just like a little harder for me, I guess. Does this refresh? Okay, so when I click this, does the linear gradient. I don't really. Let me add. Let's see. Turn to it just like that. See how this looks real quick. Fuck. It did not like that. I forgot a comma, didn't I? I did. Lovely. Yeah, well, it's like I had a lot of issues with like school, I guess you could say. Like there's just a lot going on, really. Who's 75? And then I sort of want, do I want this darker? No, I sort of want, I should have did this. Should have did this to this, right? And let's have like this be, I want this majority. I'm actually a business major, in a way. I think I got a comma, right? Comma 80% and then comma 20%. I think that's right. I used to be computer science. It definitely is not commas, is it? I used to be a computer science major, and then okay, did not like this. Okay, that was better. Can I set this to 1 real quick and just see real quick what it does? Okay, that's right. So I need like a 1.25. Yeah, I used to be a computer science major, but I couldn't pass Calc 2. I'm gonna be dead honest. Could not pass Calc 2 for my life. 20-degree changes. Okay, that's where I want it to be. Just let me get the color gradient actually right though. Okay, so we could probably do like 60. The tooltips are fine. We're just gonna leave those because those aren't gonna be there the whole time. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that looks fine, I guess. Unless, let me get rid of the 0 and just see real quick. Let me just double check, make it look somewhat. Okay, yeah. So we'll go from 0 to, let's try 45 and just see how this looks real quick. Yeah. Okay. That is absolutely fine. We're gonna do the same thing with this personal account, in a way. Okay, yeah, that's pretty sick actually. That is that's pretty sick. Sidebar good. So we got the account info, that's right. Where is my account actually at? Border's gonna have to get redone, but that's fine. It was a lemony color, wasn't it? That's good. Let's open all these up because I'm gonna have to change these anyways. So that is perfectly fine. Open all these up. Home's fine, that's good. That's good. I'm looking for account name dash name. Where's name at? Yeah, we could open those up. Where is name at? Name is good. Account info. Oh, did I just? No way I had to set just to white. No, that doesn't seem right. I did. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So we're actually gonna set this up a little differently as well. So we're gonna actually have it. We're gonna have this in a flex container. So this, and so we'll add gap as well, and we'll just do dot gap, and we'll just gap one visual width. Okay. And we have set for these differently, aren't we? Display flex. Okay, so this is obviously wrong. The color looks fine. Who is talking? The color looks fine. We're just gonna line these up, which is fine. Low-key, I might ruin it, but height auto align item center, and let's see what fucked up. Yeah, I knew that was gonna fuck it up. Okay, we'll just not do that. Oh, well, let's just add fucking a line on there, and that should hopefully fix it. It's because the size is different. I guarantee if this was at H3, it would be fine. Yeah. I could just set this to be a little different. H3 with the class name of bank ID. And then we could sort of do like the same thing, bank ID, and then display flex, font size, 20 pixels, and just check this out. Maybe some outlines or something. Oops. Excuse me. Oh. I mean, outlines aren't bad, right? But why is this not having fun? Actually, hold on. We don't even need to do that because of how this is working, right? The thing is with backgrounds, like, hold on. So like we could have this, right? But actually, I should just space between. Hold on. With let's take 100% real quick, and then just justify content space between. And it should go like this. There we go. And then I should, because we're gonna want a like span, so a span this for banking ID, and okay, oh, actually, we just do class name flex, and in here we're gonna do our span, and then we're gonna have our font size obviously a little smaller, so we'll do 24 pixels for right now and check out and see what it looks like. It is smaller. Let's remove this real quick just for now. Okay, and span. So we'll have class name of align. And I broke it. Yep. Display flex, height auto. If we align at the baseline actually, and then just remove a line here, because I'd rather have it on the base. It's sort of like a mix, I guess. I don't know. It's sort of hard to explain, right? Because QB has their own way of doing things. So does ESX. So does this, right? That's like the best way of seeing it, I guess. Let's do this. So this will align it. What the fuck? It's aligned it before. Wait a minute. How did this not align it? Okay. That's because I spelled it wrong. Dummy. We'll just add this. Where's the line? Fuck it. So dot align base will align items baseline, and that should be good. Original? I wouldn't say there's a really original reason. What happened to the Discord? What do you mean? It's still there. The Discord is still here. We got this one and this one. Find a valid invite. Go to mainpower.net and then has all the invite links there that you can just join. So it's good. Personal account is good. I want to move. I think I moved this down. Actually, do I move this down? I don't know if I move this down or not. Oops. Yeah. Mainpower.net, and then you'll get everything. Okay, so I gotta change the colors here, as well as on the buttons, but that is fine. We're gonna change it to this color on the buttons at least. So we'll go up. Because we use this for the buttons. So we'll find, I believe, these ones. Border. Actually, we'll leave that border for now. Okay, or not, because we're just going to rewrite it anyways. All right. So that's right. That's right. We do want to change these colors of the text now, and we're going to use this one. Where's the EDD? We're going to use the EDD. Grab all the buttons and we'll paste those in. So now they're going to be yellow, or should be yellow. Yes. Okay. And here it's not good though, because we have these colors. And these colors can be changed to this for now. So when we open, how are they not black? Green is right. Banking button. Oh, shit. Okay. That their colors fine there. Wait. Oops. I was right. Where is our focuses? Absolute flex column. So that is why. Okay. That is why. So now amount confirmed. So these buttons are terrible. These buttons need to change. But that's an easy change. So we have it's confirm and return buttons. Basically, we just gotta swap these And then change this. This could be just straight black, I think. So when you type in it, we're gonna have to switch this. So when you type in it, it changes, right? Really, we could just almost swap these. If we wanted to, we could just go like this, which I believe this is sort of how it was, though. No. Yeah. So mount back. Got banking ID over here, which is good. Current balance is fine. I do almost want to move it down a little bit, to be fair. What if we... Let me think here. Inspiration on creating a framework. There wasn't really inspiration. I mean, to be honest, like all the other frameworks, like they do their job, right? I guess I was more like just bored, and okay. It was mainly just to help other people because like no one understands like how to code. I felt like in FiveM, and I sort of just want to like switch that because like it was actually annoying the fuck out of me. I'm gonna be completely honest. Like it was sort of tilting. So I sort of made it like where like people could just come and sort of like learn with me, right? Yeah. Where's our amount at? And that was mainly the idea of it. Is like just have people come and sort of just learn with me as I learn as well. Because like obviously I'm still newer to it. Current balance. Oh, okay. So our current balance is our H3. Okay. We'll add a class name of balance. Before it was just ESX, and then from there I actually learned web development, right? So we'll add a font size 36 pixels, font weight of 600. Just make it a little bolder, right? And that was like the whole sort of idea of it. I do want to test something though, which is probably going to be sort of a joke, but oops. Fuck. That's just not what I want to do. You'll see sort of why I'm doing this in a second, but sort of. I mean, if people like, here's the thing though, like if people are gonna cheat, they're gonna cheat, right? Like there's like, you could try to stop them as much as you want, just It's gonna happen no matter what. We're gonna have to change some logic here, actually. Okay, hold on. We're gonna have to change some stuff up here. I mean, number is technically right. Can I? Man, will it allow float? No. Okay, it doesn't work good. So this. Where is our swapping function at? It is in the base. Base player. Boom. Let's see if I have it right here. Save is good. Let me find swap. Yeah, exactly. I mean, people are just, I mean, no matter what, people are going to cheat, right? It just, you gotta do certain things to make it so they can't, which I don't necessarily think it's that hard to do that. Okay, let me try this. Let me, let me try withdrawing. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Deposit, player cash. I mean, this is right, technically. Hold on, let me see if we could set here real quick. Oh, I didn't like reading it. Interesting. I wonder if, will this read it? That reads it fine. Okay. Wait, what the fuck happened here? Okay. Honestly, I have no clue what the hell happened. Oh, I had to set a time. I'm dumb. Okay. So that reads it there. So it must be in our formatting where it's not reading the 2 decimals. Format cache, but it is. Huh. Let me. Console logger cache real quick and just see. Where'd I put the W? I put a W somewhere. No, that's right. Oh. So we'll log player cache. 702. I think it just kicked me out. I think it's because the event technically like stopped. Is there end time? There's a start time. Wait. Yeah, I don't. Here, we'll see what happens. There's not end time that you could put in though. Hold on. I don't know if there's an end time or not. I have no clue. Okay, well, we started it. So it reads 702, which technically isn't right, right? So it's sort of how it's coming in. So when you come in, but let me check. Huh. So I think I just got to cast into float, which is fine. The issue is, actually, let me set these to any and just see something. Let me see if it reads it right this time. Let's set to any. No. Okay. Not a big deal, I guess, for right now. Just wanted to see if, because it does say decimal points, right? But the issue is it's not necessarily reading our player cache correctly, which means when it comes in, it's just not reading it correctly. So in our open client in here, and we could actually add a console log printing money, and then we could do cash and just see where this is actually popping in, right? Why did it not like this? It's server side, and we just didn't save it, I think. That is why. So yeah, it just gets 702 here. Which, I mean, technically isn't wrong. I mean, it's not right, but it's not wrong. Unless it reset it. I wonder if we set it to 5 real quick. Is it gonna round up? No, okay. So we did set it to float though. So it should. So in our player, it would be fucked up. Jesus. Player. Result 1. That should actually be fine. Okay, it might just be a formatting thing, which is fine. I do gotta switch these icons to the correct color we want, which let us sort of redo the sidebar a little bit. So I want to take up the whole space with that sidebar, which I think it already does. So let me go to this and sidebar. So we can close this, open sidebar. So we got home and then border, which is our listed element. Okay. So sidebar, direction column has a min max. That's good. Should justify the content to center in here as well. That way it's pushed in. Not that it's really needed. Okay, so we have home here. Width set to 100. That's right. Height of 10% is good. We're gonna remove the border because it's sort of, actually, we'll edit the border. We'll just do a border, border bottom. Might be a little better. We have a margin on that, which is fine. Then we have our tooltips and our no style. Okay. Tooltips fine. Tooltips fine. 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 No style though is height of 100%. Let me just do fit content for right now and just take a look at that. Okay. So that's good. There's just a huge gap, which we don't want that. And that's because the border, we're gonna, I'm pretty sure that is because of the border. Actually, because we have a height of fit content on here width of 100, unless it's using, oh, hold on. Let me see now. Yeah, okay. Okay, that makes sense. That makes fucking sense. Okay, so we need sidebar, 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 sidebar. Tooltips here, home, sidebar, height of 100%. Let's just make that important as well. Actually, we have the column set. That's fine. Where is? We'll remove that. That should fix that. Oh. What did we break? Nothing. Okay. So that's setting properly there. We need to add spacing here and here. And then change the icon color, remove the border to have border bottom. Okay. So add margin to it. Just like that. Actually, no, we don't even need to do that. We could go to where the icon is, which is icon size. So we'll find icon size real quick. And then we'll add padding on the top of, we'll do 2 VH for now. There's only 2 icons, so it's not like it should be too big. And actually, we'll just do padding, and then 2. It's 2 and then 0. Believe that's right. That is not right. There we go. There we go. And we'll just fix the border now. So we'll go to border. I should have typed a dot now. So border dash bottom. 1 pixel solid. I wonder if we could do. Let's try this and just see. Just see. Yeah, I knew it wasn't gonna work. Okay, 1 border solid. We'll go this. We'll go the brighter. We'll go the brighter one. Let's see what it looks like. It's not my favorite, I could tell you that much. And I think it's because this is throwing me off. Just not being the same. Yeah, it was throwing me off because it's not the same. We'll change the alpha maybe. We'll bring it down to like half. That is better. That's way better. We gotta change the icon color. And maybe we could do the icon color as the linear gradient to sort of blend it in. And hope it does that. It, of course, it doesn't, but if it doesn't want that, we could try this lighter one for now. If not, we'll go for the darker and just see how it looks. Okay. Obviously, this icon is gonna change, which is fine. That's fine. Okay, I gotta fix the banking ID again. Did we not fix? I swear we fixed this, no? That's fine there. Open this. Banking ID and then align base, which is here. Hold on. Oh, that's fine. It's good. I guess we could do. I think the line height might change it a tad. No. That's. Okay, so that's good. That's good. We could technically move these down, which. Let me think here, because I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't mind it. Oh, that's what I keep fucking opening over here. Let me try something, I guess, and just see what it's like. So if we move these down, right? Or yeah, actually, fuck it, yeah. So we're gonna see where our buttons are right here. So where it's in here, it's in flex column buttons. We're gonna fuck shit up. I'm gonna be honest, but that's fine. We'll change it to flex. We already knew it was gonna go like that. Because it's an info flex. Honestly, 175. So this one. So if we did this, and then of course it's just like that. Because we have a flex column bank here, which gets this personal account. But right now, these buttons are in here. So we could move these buttons, I believe, up. Okay, so that's sort of right? We're actually going to remove that. And, okay, so this is sort of right. And then we're going to add a flex here, put in these buttons. Yep. We're just going to call it flex buttons for right now, right? Because we're going to have a couple changes, and we don't even know if we're going to keep this. So we're going to do display flex with 100%, justify content space between, and just like that, that should make it. No, why did that not like that at all? Oh shit. Okay. Hold on. We're gonna do display flex first. Yep. Okay, so it does not like where it is, which it's in info flex, right? Oh wait, no. It's in flex column bank. Oh, okay, hold on. Flex direction, row, justify content, space between. It still doesn't like that. But if we had regular flex, it actually did. No. Yeah, it did. What? How is that any different? Excuse me? What does flex have? What is flex doing that I'm not right now? Dot flex. Excuse me? Okay, so what we're ending up doing, I'll sort of explain this, right? Okay, it's just not fucked. I'll sort of explain what I'm doing right now, just so you guys can get an idea. Basically, we're gonna have these up top. Oh, I know fucking why. We have a left and right, don't we? Hold on. Where's our info? Move this down one real quick, and then we'll go like this. Account info. Let's find account info real quick, because I guarantee we have a... That's right. And then we have info flex, which we already saw. Which this could actually just be this. And personal info, banking ID. Oh wait, no. I am dumb. I am dumb. This can be up here in this because we want it on a new line. And then we set it to flex. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so in flex buttons though, we're gonna go to this. Oh. Yeah, that would actually make a lot more sense now. I had it named wrong. Okay. Width of 100%, justify content space between. It didn't go. So now it should do that. That is good. And something's just not taking up 100% of the width, which is fine. So we'll look at a couple of these that wouldn't be, which would be most likely are, wouldn't be flex column bank, I don't believe. We'll just double check everything real quick. Oh, what if we set the min width to 100 here? It should be, there we go. So it is 100. Obviously these are a little different here, so we can go into where this is at, which would be our account name. So we'll find this and this because we have a margin left. move the margin left. And then we have that and that. And yeah, I think we just get personal, actually, personal account. We could just add the banking ID there, right? Because there's no really point for us saying the banking ID. So we'll just, there's actually no point whatsoever. And it didn't like this. Why did it not like this? Add the span in there. Reset. Actually, let us do. I don't think we flex this. I actually don't think we flex this. I think we have it display right under it. Just because there's not really a reason, right? How long until this event closes, though? Why did that not like that? Flex column gap. Hold on. Why does it not? Oh, that's because this. Okay. Let's set it to a couple presets and just take a look at how we would want it. This align base is just not gonna really work here because it aligns us to a center. Which, I mean, if we do start, it should just push it over, right? Yeah. Okay. Honestly, this is sort of fine here. We could cut it in like half, though. I think half wouldn't be that bad. Is there a chat in this? Oh, there is a chat in this thing. Okay. I don't know. It sort of looks like a little lost, though, right? Like, I feel like it could get. I mean, it could easily get cut in half with this, but. Okay, I like that better, actually. And then we could add. Because I was gonna do here. I'm just gonna fucking code it and just see what it looks like, honestly. So wait, do I have it? Fuck, I don't have it pasted. We're just gonna copy it from here. I deleted it, so I should have it. Yeah. So we were gonna put like this right here, right? Obviously it's gonna look a little fucked up, or it should look a little fucked up. One warning. Why did it not like this? What did I fuck up here? Where's my... Oh. There we go. Okay, so this is sort of right. In a way. I didn't want it... I don't think we want it in account in... Well... We do want it in account info, but we don't want it in account info. We want it to be like its separate thing, I guess. So if I did this, it's still in there. So if I go down one more, I think then It's still in account info, but just for the shits. Okay, no, that is sort of where I wanted it actually. So we're gonna do a dot. If it's not account info, it would be account balance, right? So we'll do account balance here. And we're gonna sort of almost do the same exact thing with this, but account balance. And we're just gonna save it right now, just see how it looks. Okay, yeah, this is sort of how I wanted it in a way. Let me go to my colors real quick. Right here. Okay, yeah. So we don't want this gap here, which I believe is from this, and we can remove the padding and the margin top from this. We can keep the margin top on that other one. So when we close it, it's going to be exactly like this. So we're going to get rid of the border radius at first, just so it looks exactly just like a square, which is fine. What, I had padding 1 rem, right? Let me just double check, make sure this is right. I fucked something up. Okay, honestly, the padding wasn't bad. We just re-add the padding real quick. And, okay. Padding 1 rem. Okay, now we wanted to do a different background on this, which I believe happens to be our side one, which is this, right? Yes. So we're gonna need to do a couple things here. We're gonna add these in right now, and then background. No, that doesn't seem right. Oh wait, hold on. It does seem right. Can I add the H3 in here? I should be able to, right? Yeah, perfect. So we'll just do this real quick, and we'll add this same linear gradient here, and we'll just copy that right into this. Remove that color and check this out real quick, see if this works properly. It did not. It did not. Hold on. Okay, honestly, not a big fucking deal. Okay, so background, this color. We want to use the EDD one. I guess we could look at EDD and just see. Color is right. So I sort of want to remove the current balance because it's sort of, I mean, it makes sense that that's your current balance, right? And then we could add a text. Font weight 700, letter spacing. I want to make it a little like bigger for letter spacing, right? Just so it takes up a little more space. But I think that's fine. But we could also add that in account amount, which is up there. So we want to add some height to it. So we got to min this. We got to have a height of 2vh and just make sure this works. It should be bigger. 5. Let's do 5 visual heights. Oops. Min height. Set min to 2 right now and just see how big this is. That's not big at all. 4. It is not changing at all, no? Oh, that's because we have fucking fit content. Okay, that would be why. Okay, so that's fine. Height, we'll just set height to 4. Overflow's hidden, that's good. And we're gonna have to remove this. We're gonna have to remove that. Okay, so these are fine. This is good. That goes back. It'll sort of edit that. That's fine. Overflow is obviously hidden on account info, which is right there, which ends. Are we not resetting? Oh, wait, hold on. No, that's right. That is right. Where is... Look for account amount real quick. Account amount. Oh, we can remove that. Width is fine. That is fine as well. Display flex, margin left. We'll remove that. Sort of unneeded. So then balancing in here. Give our minimum width, our minimum height. Overflow hidden. I mean, we could just sort of cover this off as well. Just set it to 10 for right now and just see. Okay. I don't mind 10. I actually don't mind 10 at all, actually. And let's just use 3Fs for this, for the money. And then we are gonna align item center in here, which should not do that. Display flex column, that's fine. Go over to here, this amount, align self center. Oh, height 100%. That's right. Oh, fuck. That is not right. Max height. Okay, that's good, that's good. Display flex. We could probably remove that. We can remove this, that's fine. These are fine. Line items, center. That's good. And we should add our padding back, which is going to push it in. Just like that, which is good. Did the stream event die? I don't think it did. We're good. Okay, so that's the right color. Now, is there something we want to add over here? Could add a button for making a loan payment, possibly. Actually, that's not a bad idea. That's actually not a terrible idea, now that I'm thinking about it. We could also put the date in there, so we could have it say like make loan payment over here, and then have the date under it. Which that would be good for the loan system. That'd be really good for the loan system, actually. Huh. Okay. What the fuck is Shifty doing? Valorant. Okay. So, yeah, we have this. Ooh, actually. Wait a minute. This might be good if we add a loan card here. That shows how much you have to pay back, and then your next payment date would be good. I gotta push these buttons down, I believe, too. I mean, obviously they go away, but I still need to push them down. Yeah. So we need to push them down, which is fine. So yeah, we should have the next payment date on there, which would be actually pretty good. Huh. Actually, yeah, that's not a bad idea. So we would have to do something like this, where it would be we have our formatted amount, obviously, and then we should just add flex in here, right? And actually, we don't need to. We don't need to. Width of 100, and then we'll justify content space between. So we have a H3, but then we're gonna have a. Technically, we're gonna have a button, right? So dot text. We're just gonna call it a text button for right now, and then. So we'll have make loan payment just like that. So we'll have make loan payment. So we'll do something like this, and we'll add text dash button. And basically we'll call a width of fit content, color of this, font size of 24 pixels, just like that. And then we'll scroll up real quick because we're gonna want to do. I'm just gonna paste this in real quick for grabbing the date of shit. Okay, make loan payment. Obviously, it's way too big. So we'll scroll down. And why is that? Do we have a H3? Of course, we got that. We add fit content to that, and it should be fixed, right? Yes, there doesn't look like there's any problems there. That font size is way too big. Probably do 18. Font weight of 200. Display flex height 100%. Line self center. So that looks about right. We have padding in there, which is good. The padding looks fine. Make a loan payment button. It could be better. Could be a little better. Is there a triangle? A better triangle? Triangle text symbol? There is. I'm copying and pasting one. Fuck it. Hold on. Let me copy and paste this one. So boom, boom. Actually, we could just call this. We could just call it like a repayment, no? Because like a repaying of the repayment. What the fuck is that, bro? That's not the one I wanted. Is there a different one? Hold on. There we go. I think that was the one. Dude, why is it so big? Hold on. That ain't it. What did? Why it look like that? Is this it? That has to be it. No. That is it. Can we make that bigger? Is that a? Why is it so tiny? Honestly, fuck it. We're good for right now. Is it reading the date? It is. Okay. So we have this. So the thing, what do we want? We want console. Actually, const. We'll add const playing date equals to. So we want the month, right? So we want month, and then we want day. And then we're just gonna get this, the current time, right? So say we did that, and you have that on hand, repayment, and then we add a. Oh no, it would be in here. It would be in here, or in here even. See what this looks like. That should switch every single time. Okay, maybe we shouldn't add the second. Don't add that a second in. I think that would work better if we don't use seconds. We just have current time, just like that. And then we go here and we go boom, boom, boom. Oops. See what this looks like for a second. Okay, that's actually sort of right. Minus this part, right? Because we want this to be sort of centered. Which I guess we don't even need this here. We don't necessarily need a column. And instead we could just call our playing date before this. Just so people know the time. But then again, we could just put it on the top too. So we got, actually, that's probably a better idea if we, this is going to be placing it right in the middle of it. Let us add the date where we would want this. Okay, if that's set up, where's my name? Where's full name at? Full name, this. Okay. H2, I guarantee I have a H2. We'll go to that. Font weight there. Okay, so if we add playing date there, it should go right under it, I believe. Which is, I mean, that technically that time is correct. Let's do it a little differently. So we'll copy this in. We'll copy this in for right now. And it sort of is this, right? So const this equals new. So we do const this equals date dot now. And then we could do const playtime equals this. And I believe that would be right. So now I'll go into it. And it says PM. I have a W somewhere though. Where's the W at? There's the W at. So we'll remove that. So now when we go into it, it says that we don't want, I don't think we want seconds though. We can just remove seconds. Which looks fine. And this should just get everyone's personal one. Okay, so now we need to border radius a little bit, right? Repayment looks fine. And then we'll add what the loan statement would look like, I believe. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. So what we'll do here is we will do in here, we will go to our account info, which is right here, and we'll border radius. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Border. Oh wait, no, it's border top. I do. Oh, it wants top and okay. Honestly, that's fine. We'll do 6 pixels, and then we'll just copy and paste with right, and then restart. That should do this. We need to actually make it a little more. Maybe 12 pixels. Let's check out 12 pixels for now. That looks good. That looks good. We have this, which is right. Our repayment, which would be a button, which is fine. So then we can do this. Go here and set a top, bottom. And that looks right as well. This gradient is This gradient's not too well put off right now. I think maybe I do like 25. Like I sort of feel like it's not. See this real quick. Okay, well. Let's see. Can we do? Let's just see what we got here. See what we could do for the gradients here. We could do 2 bottom, or I guess 2 top left, comma this to that. I believe that would be okay. I don't mind that actually. But I think I had it backward. I might have had it backwards. I think I had it backwards. So 2 top, 2 bottom. So I should do 2 bottom. Oh wait, it would be 2 top right. My bad. I'm dumb. Yeah. I actually wouldn't mind making the minimum width on these like 60, to be honest, and just having it like be like a little less. No. Let me just see what this looks like. Why did I not? I don't think that's bad. I don't think that's bad how it looks, right? Out of curiosity, if we did like 35 for an example, just to look at it. Oops. hold on. Hold on. Let me let me see something real quick. So we got this. This is right. I do want to go into account info because there's this where it's line base. Right? No. Oh wait, no, it's where's flex button? It's flex button's here. We need to have a padding here of like 1 VH 0 just to make it we just have to have like top padding. That's all it is. So just like that, that's fine. Goes back in, goes back in. Okay, that's fine. Now, the one thing I do want to check though is because when we make this, we're gonna have like 2, 3 accounts, right? This is the problem. So, okay. So just double check it, look at it, good. Banking ID, good. Deposit, that's fine. All that stuff would work, right? You have 0 on hand. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. What'd I break? What did I break? It's because I said it. It's because I said it, huh? Cash is right. No, it's all right. We'll look at the structure of it real quick, and yeah. So we'll just change it to int. Oh, actually, that's why. Is that not right? Hold on. Structure, float. Hold on. Change, float. That's right. Oh, these are right. Why did it not like this though? Hold on, we'll redo banking and see. Uh-oh. But if I did reads that fine. Hold on, give money. Interesting. I know it's fine. I think it's just because I'm actually 95% sure it's because I saved this, right? Like if I did this for an example. No. Oh shit. But it's not null. Hold on. Players, structure. Change. Fuck, I gotta relog for it, but okay, well, honestly, we'll just relog for it. Fuck it. And we'll see how fucked it actually is, but we'll relog, check it out. And just see what's popping, and then we will build. I don't know if we want the loan to be on it or what, man. It's I don't mind having the loan on the first page, right? We'll run over here real quick. Okay, so that was right. So I wonder, I mean, obviously float had a problem, right? So we got repayment here, which is good. I actually wouldn't mind making... No, this actually looks really good, to be fair. These are coming soon, obviously. Transfer, all this stuff works. So if I deposit, say, 321, deposit 12 grand. Okay, that all works, which is good. The problem is you want another account here, right? So for doing this, we would end up having to wrap right, hold on. So we have our this, right? And then we have our banking account, which is right. Tooltips, fine. So right here, we would basically have to wrap this in a... We basically make this a flex box, right? And we take these two, we put them in this flex box. And then we'll do dot flexbox equals display flex wrap. And I knew that was gonna fuck it up. Because these two can't be separated. So we would have to do a dot flex. Did I spell that right? I already know I didn't. I already know I didn't spell that right. No, that is right. Dope. So then we'll do this, and we'll take balance and info, throw it in here. So we'll add a dash account, right? So in this dash account, we're basically just setting it. So that means when we open it, it shouldn't really do much, but it does. Let me check this real quick. Setting it to flex should just not work, but Why does it not like this? It gets rid of width. Interesting. That's because flex box. Hold up. Hold up. Get rid of that real quick. Get rid of that shit. No point in fucking with it right now. Hold on. Nope, that's right. I believe... Okay, this is where we fucked it. Okay, so we'll refresh. This should be fine. Good. 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 So we'll have account info, which is here. So account info, account balance. So these are its own like dot. We'll call it an item for right now, right? Because if we throw it in here, it shouldn't necessarily move anything. Okay. Yeah, you can. I believe it might be linked in the description, possibly. And then we add, do we have this saved or did we remove it? I think we removed it. It should be in the description, I believe. Okay, so we have an item, and let me just try this now. We'll add flexbox. We'll put item inside of flexbox and see real quick if it works. So that works like that. If we add a secondary item, which happens to be the same thing, it shouldn't have broken. Okay, it did. Let's add 100%. Don't have a link in the description? Shit. All right. I got you then. So that's good, that's good. Can we do dot item and then we take up a width of 50%? Actually, we'll take up a width of, let's do 45% just to check it out. Just to see if we have these. Okay, why does it not like that though? Because it could easily fit another one in. Let me just keep messing with it. Okay. So it doesn't like this. Is that because this is not set to flex and it's set to flex box? I think so. Yes, it was. Okay, so the item could take up 45. Actually, we'll do 47. Because if we do 50, I mean 50 should have been it too. 45. We'll check this. Doesn't like 45 either, so we might just have to do even 40 because I think it's taking up 80. It's not. It's taking up less. Interesting. Okay. So we'll go like this. 37. Oh, never mind. It would have been fine. I actually think it would have been fine. I just typed W. Hold on. We'll reset. Okay, so that's right. Can we add a gap of 1? Oh, gap 10 pixels. So that's right. That's right. So obviously these accounts would change too. So this count necessarily wouldn't be the same. If we take up 50%, what does this look like real quick? It shouldn't go. Yeah. Okay. But if we did 49%, because it's less than half, it should, which actually looks good. So now we just need to make it grab accounts. But this is a good look right now. So we'll just for the shits and giggles, this is sort of what it's going to look like, right? You have this, and then you have a company account, different things. Buttons obviously would change. Honestly, when you click it, I think it just sets it to on click. Can't I just not have this actually if I just want them to be shown? I believe so, right? Because I don't mind them being shown the whole time. Go like this real quick. That's not it. So we have set show input handle back, right? Set show input button type. Set show input. Set show input. And then it goes to button type, which is right. Which is just a use state. So show input. When we click the button, it sets this. So this goes here. I mean, if we remove this, this shouldn't, technically transfer should not work, right? Yeah. Oh, wait, I'm fucking stupid, dude. I'm setting it on the first one, but not the second, which is why. So this two, and then this two, because we want these buttons to like be shown, right? So you have this, and you could just sort of switch between them, which is good, but you could also switch on these. So if I withdraw, say like 24 bucks. Okay. So yeah, I mean, company account would be like that. And then I think as a different item, we would have the loan, right? But I don't necessarily want to show that right now. So we're... So this item could just get away. And then we have this. Which is right. So now we have the one account, which is good. And then we have to have a banking SQL here. So we could actually, I guess, make this. So in here, Ranking's fine. All that's fine. So we just have to add a table for banking. Yeah. I think we can just do it through the import, right? Might make it easier. Query. Go here. So how do we want banking though? We would need a column. So we would need the owner, the access, right? Owner and access, I think. Who owns it, who has access to it. And then data from who's taking in and out. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's not necessarily the hardest thing, I guess. I do like how this looks a little better. I wouldn't mind making this on the same row actually, but I mean that's an easy fix, right? We could just go like this and then that, and then boom, 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 refresh, go in here. Actually, yeah. You know what? I should have it sort of the opposite way. And then this here, one like that, and then playing date, boom, space. So you have this. So you have some info basically. So we have info here. Tells you the name, tells you all this. I actually don't really fucking like this color though. Let me check. Let me see if I can do something here. Oh, actually, you know what we can do? Every bank should have sort of like a paycheck, right? So because actually no, this is right. This is right. So we could do, where's that? Account balance right here, repayment, and where is, we're just gonna re-add a flex column real quick. We're just gonna call it data. And this is just to do this, right? And the reason why I'm gonna do this, whoops, move this in, and then next, I'm gonna add a P, next payment date. Just as a temporary tag and just see what this looks like real quick. So we'll add class name as, we'll just call it bank data for right now. And there's sort of a reason why we're doing this. So we're gonna add a color and it's gonna be FFF. Actually, no, it's gonna be that 0C, this one, right? Because it's gonna be dark and we're just gonna brighten it up. So we'll go like 3838 and just see what this looks like for right now. Bank data, color this, font size 12 pixels, font weight of 100, and save that. didn't like that. We have a P tag, don't we? Yeah. I'm just going to remove that P tag just for right now. No way there's a different P tag, no? Why is that? Bank data. That's definitely right. Why is that not liking it? Oh, it did like it. Okay, what? So 12 is fine. Font weight. Let's set this to 200. See what this looks like. Because then this is going to tell you when your next payment is actually due in the banking. It is very dark still, so we're going to have to go like this. Maybe font weight this and set it to 10 real quick. Um, 400? If it was bolder, it would be easier to see. Set it to 900 and just see what this looks like. Payment due, that time. Actually, that looks fine. That looks good. Yeah. Obviously, this will be a working button. Then we'll have that. So now we need multiple accounts. This is the only personal one, right? So we would just need one for company accounts that would go through an array with banking IDs. So we'd grab the account name. So this is what we'll need. I'm just going to make a little statement here. So how companies will be set up. We'll have banking name. We'll have name of company, owner, who made it. We'll call it SID ID for now. Access. So we'll have access, bank, company name, owner, and then amount. Obviously, amount's just amount. And then, ooh, I mean, we could do company loans technically. That'd be interesting thing to do. Fuck it. So we could have something like that. So I think that would be next time though. Don't want to go for too long. Just wanted to get a bunch of the UI stuff done, which I think we did. I mean, this UI is definitely a lot cleaner. Let me try doing the font as a linear gradient. Let me just see. So let me do. Where's our icon? Actually, we'll just call it. We'll just name it up here real quick, just because we have it. So we'll have dot gradient text, right? Linear gradient, and we'll do something like this, right? So then we're gonna have our gradient text, which is gonna be our icon, which is technically gonna be icon name. Okay. So gradient text, we're gonna do boom. We're gonna add this all over here, and we're gonna add this, right? And now, we're just gonna call background color red for right now, and we're gonna go to where this is. Where's our icons? Icons. Right here. So icon size, we're gonna switch this to gradient text and just see if this works. All right. Actually, get rid of this. Get rid of this. We'll do this for right now. See what we got here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing's happening. Is it because it's the icon? Fuck. Hold on. Let me see. Font, awesome. React, change color. Let's see here. Huh. It doesn't like that though. I mean, I guess it's fine. Guess we could just use regular icon this and then I mean, out of curiosity, would it work? Nope. Oh wait, hold on. Fuck. Clip. Hmm. I mean, it is text technically, right? Well, I mean, actually, I guess not, but I guess it is icon. I mean, WebKit-icon. WebKit dash text icon image. Nah, fuck it. All good. Just wanted to see. Okay, this isn't that bad. We just got to switch this color up here now for the main power logo. Just needs to switch to the correct color. But other than that, this is fine. Company accounts will get added, and then the loan system. I think I'm just gonna have a separate page because it would grab your personal loan and then your company loan. Keyword is your, by the way. Keyword is your. So I need to create the SQL for that. But other than that, I believe that is it. I believe that is it. Export is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Structure. I guess we can create it right now. So we get up banking, right? And this is obviously for company account. So how many columns do we need? So owner, amount, access, loan, owner, amount, access, loan. That's 4. Are we missing anything? Company name. So 5. So we're gonna have owner, which is the varchar default none. I gotta leave all these blank for right now. Owner, so access. Fuck. How do I do this? JSON? Yeah, I've been just been working on the banking basically. Now I'm just getting the SQL set up for basically everything else. Big int, no. Date and time, no. String, hold on. Hold on. No. me see real quick. Hold on. Fuck it. Actually, why didn't we just do this the easy way? Yeah, cancel. Boom. Create table. Banking. So then we're gonna have owner, which is a var. Okay, but var car, and then I think this is right. So owner, and then we have access, which is gonna be a Is this right? Can we do this? How many people? 10? I think this is right. I think this is right. Oh, and I opened the wrong thing. So we got owner, access, and then we need to have amount, which is gonna be an int 11. What is it not like? Fuck it. I guess we're gonna see it. It definitely does not like something. So owner amount. What else did we have in here? Owner amount, access, oh, name. So hold on. Owner this, company name, which is gonna be var car of 10. So we got company name, and then loan amount. Loan amount, which is going to be an int as well. Oh wait, isn't it varchar this? Maybe? I don't think it likes it. It definitely does not like it, but, and then this, what does it not like? Why does it not like this? Hold on, does it like these? No, it doesn't like this either. Why does it not like this? What happens if I click go? It's not gonna go, right? Yeah. And that's just because this, but I mean, I guess we could just set it to that. Hold on. Let me see what we could do here. Because if we do... We could just do JSON, right? Is that right? Yeah, we could, and then we could just encode it. Create table, so JSON MySQL. I think that's right. Let me just make sure it's right though. Do some Google real quick and just see if I got it right, honestly. Let me just copy this real quick. Copy this. Click new, yes. Obviously we do this. Yeah, okay. So owner, we could just do this real quick. Owner, access, which is going to be this, and then I guess we could put a length, default as null, no default there. Amount, which is going to be an int 11, or I guess we could do company name, which is a varchar, cannot be null, so we'll set none, and then amount int 11, loan amount int 11. Oh. Okay. So that's gonna be right. And then I'll work on this later. There might be a later stream. I'll probably do a later stream. You never know. You never know. I'll do a later stream. If not a later stream, I'll be here. You guys, honestly, I would join the Discord if you can. I'll send all the links as well in here before I step off. Let me just do that real quick. Easiest way, just go there, and then I can show you guys what you guys have to click. Basically, you go here. This one joins the main power Discord. This one joins the other support Discord. If you have any contacts, if you want to work with us, anything like that, type all your stuff into here. A docs page for everything that you guys need to know. It is all in here as well. This just shows you how to set up the commands, and any errors with main power, you can type it in here. We have just select what it is, your Discord, and explain the bug. And then go to the Discord. You could also just click this. It'll send you a link to the main power one. But other than that, I think that is going to be it for right now. You guys should probably see this hopefully at the start of next year, where we have loans all good, multiple account support, and creating more accounts as well. But yeah, that is going to be it for right now, and I will see you guys later.